Morning, preppers. Saturday edition. Choo, choo, choo. Hey, as usual. As usual, what? Yeah, so last night, live stream, no go. Short story, ate a bad date. That's that's from an old movie. Look it up. The dates are bad. Anyway, woke up this morning, got the sniffles, got a slight headache. You can hear a little bit of raspiness in my throat, got a little bit of a cough. There's no telling. So, my plan, going to get some breakfast. In the interim, I don't know if I'll be able to do the live feed tonight. We'll see what happens. We'll see if the food will stay down or whatever it is. But I'm in go criteria until I can't. All right, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. I know there's a lot of Christmas parades and stuff. Go enjoy those. And until the next time, stay safe and have a great day. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Later, guys. Bye-bye.